Hey everyone, welcome back. If Slack images are not loading, maybe pictures don't appear, show as broken links, or stay blank, don't worry. This is usually caused by network issues, app glitches, or cache problems. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slack images need a stable connection to load. Open a browser and test another website. If pages are slow or not loading, restart your router first. Step 2. Refresh Slack. Temporary glitches can prevent images from loading. Press Ctrl plus R to refresh Slack or close and reopen the app. Step 3. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted cache files often block images. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata, %slack delete all files inside, then restart Slack. Step 4. Check workspace permissions. Some files and images may be restricted by workspace policies. If images aren't visible, contact your admin. Step 5. Try Slack web version. Log into Slack in your browser. If images load there, the issue is with the desktop app. Step 6. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Network security tools can block image loading. Turn them off briefly and check if images appear. Step 7. Update Slack. Make sure you're using the latest Slack version. Older versions may have bugs affecting image display. Step 8. Reinstall Slack if needed. If images still don't load, uninstall Slack. Restart your PC and install the latest version from the official website. Most Slack image issues come from network instability, corrupted cache, or outdated apps. And these steps fix nearly all of them. Follow these steps and your Slack images should display normally again. See you in the next guide.